Welcome to Algopop, an automatic music composer. It is now in alpha, so I have the first version here that I can actually make some music with. It is very rough around the edges, so please be patient. When you open up the app, you start with the project page. You can add a project by pressing the plus button. You go into Set Project. Now you are on a user clip page. And there are no user clips yet, so let's create one. Push the plus sign, you go into the clip, and you are greeted with 2 tracks, or with several tracks if you want to have more. On the one hand, it works like a track in, say, Cubase, but there is a modular synthesizer hidden here, or a modular system. So you can add notes with the pencil tool to the first track. Let's change this one to a different pitch. You've created some notes. Now let's change this pencil tool to draw with something else. So you push the black portion of the button and you pick, say, the piano. And let's add that now to the second track. So this is an instrument track now. So you see the instruments are not at the start of a track as you're used to, but they are underneath all the other events, so they are an event as well. Now there is a green bit here and a green bit here, and you can connect those. So the out note, green means notes. So you connect the note out here to the note in of the instrument track. And now these 2 tracks are connected. And you pick the blue output, which is an audio output, and you connect it to the overall out of the clip. There you go. So your clip generates audio now. There you go. This is your first clip.